Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome for any new viewers. Today I'm going to show you how I get my super defined wash and go on my now short natural hair. So before we get into it, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is turned on. Here we go. As my hair is short, I definitely advise working in sections if you are working with short hair as well, because it just helps you minimize the frizz and really define your curls as much as possible. For me, 4 sections is all good. I just twist it up, pin it up out the way, hairband, whatever. The first ingredient is water. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair off camera because I've already got a wash day routine on my channel and also a wash and go routine where I show you how I wash and deep condition my hair again. So I just left it out to make this video shorter. So here you just see me going in with more water to make sure that my hair is soaking wet. So I always use a leave-in conditioner where I'm moisturizing my hair, but obviously for this wash and go, always leave-in conditioner, always. Today I'm using Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I can't remember the exact name right now, but yeah, I'll put it in the description box, all the products that I used today. The key is to just make sure that your hair is saturated in the product. So that's why you'll see me section off the section to make sure that all of my hair got a bit of... The second product I'm going to use is a curl and style me milk. You can use a cream for this step if you don't have a hair milk. Again, this is just going to reinforce the moisture because my hair is low porosity and it does take a bit for it to absorb the moisture. And then the last step, of course, is going to be oil if you are an LCL girl or guy. So I just do the same thing with all my products. I section off the section to make sure that it all gets coated. So I have the Felicia Leatherwood brush hair and an imitation, which I love both of them, but for this video I'm going to use Felicia Leatherwood's brush because I just am. I have learnt that the key to minimizing frizz and defining your curls as much as possible is to make sure that it's detangled, from the root to your ends, because I used to just kind of detangle. It sounds bad, but I kind of just used to detangle as much as I could be bothered, especially when I used to mainly just finger detangle. I just So I noticed that my wash and goes were a lot more frizzy, which obviously left me with more tangles and more shedding, so it didn't make sense. So this is why you're seeing me really go in and make sure that my hair is detangled from root to end. So now you can go in with your favorite gel. I'm using Eco Styler gel because it's my favorite and it's worked for me. I use the smooth and raking method. This just helps to coat all my strands, and when I rake it through, that just helps with defining the curls. So like here, you can see me raking it. And I don't know if you can see, but my hands, my fingertips are coated with Eco Styler gel. So when I run it down the strands, it's literally defining it at the same time while separating it, so I have more volume. So that's that section done, and this is what it's looking like. So basically, this is what I will do to all of the sections. For those of you that watched my big chop video, I feel like I've actually gotten a little bit of growth. I know it's not crazy. I know it's not a crazy thing, but yeah, I'm just surprised at the growth actually. But I'm definitely loving the shape, the cut. I don't even know if I want it to grow out yet. So I'm just gonna show you the process on my last section. So after the water comes the leave-in conditioner. After the leave-in conditioner comes the cream or hair milk. And after the hair milk comes the oil. After the oil, you can detangle and then you can add your gel. So don't forget to choose your part. Obviously, you can do that at any point, but I leave it towards the end because I kind of like to mold my hair in the direction. And sometimes I just don't know if I'm going to do a middle or a side. So yeah, just go with the flow. Don't overthink it too much. And I'm just adding Eco Styler gel to my edges to just get all the flyaways, make sure everything's uniform. Because before, when I used to do my wash and goes, I noticed I used to kind of like leave parts like without gel, and it would show once your hair's dry. Those are the parts that will frizz up, basically. I would say at this point, I'm 90% done. You can even call it quits here and just let it dry. But I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my hair just because I did use Eco Styler gel, and you know, I've never really got the crunch, but you know, just in case I ever do, I always add some kind of gel, whether it's olive oil or coconut oil, to my hair before it dries and after it dries to prevent that. And then here comes the drying process. So I'm going to use my blow dryer. I do have a hooded dryer, but my blow dryer is just quicker. It has 3 different options for the speed and 3 different options for the heat. I'm just going to put it on the 3rd option for speed and the 2nd option for heat. And I basically kind of use like the tension method, not like I don't go ham, but I just lightly like put a bit of tension on my hair while I'm drying it, because I don't want it to shrink all the way up. I kind of want it to still have a bit of hang time, if you get what I mean. So this method has worked for me. Like, I've been natural for 5 years and this method works. Also, if you are looking for a heat-free method, you can just use the banding method. You know who wants to make his appearance. It's Casey. He literally always wakes up when I'm filming. It's like he just knows, and he just loves the whole setup. He just loves the camera. So yeah, in terms of drying my hair, I'm just going to do this method until I feel like my hair is 90% dry, or sometimes just 75%. But I start with drying the top, and once I feel like the top is dry, especially the roots, I flip my hair and dry the bottom. See, and I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I can just like noticeably see the difference in length. I feel like my hair would have been like way shorter if I just let it air dry. Well, not feel, I know. Anyway, after I dry it, I just go in and separate it. You can use your Afro pick if you like, but I kind of like to not pick it out too much. So I just separate it with my fingers for the first day. And, you know, if I need to on day 2 or day 3, I'll fluff it out a bit more. And I know you're already asking me, yes, I'm going to do my edges right now. And then we're just done. Done, 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 done. I love this method. It's super quick. It's super easy. I don't know if it looked, comment in the comment section if I made it look as easy as I feel it did. And also, if you did like the video, don't forget to show me with your like and with your comments.